Travis Stevenson here. I'm the creator and founder of Wealthery, which also is the founding hub for Instamakeme. So I wanted to log in real fast. You'll be seeing a screen just like this. You'll log in. Inside this login screen, you're going to see pretty much all of our products. But for Instamakeme, I wanted to go ahead and log in here and show you a little bit more about what that does. So as you can see here, we have my dashboard. Once you log in, you'll be able to see all of your page views, all of your unique visitors. So if you have any returning visitors, you'll be able to tell the difference, as well as click-throughs. And we're going to show you what that is, and then you can see the bounces. We also show you what platforms are most common, what browsers people are actually visiting your site from, and then whether they're on a mobile device, desktop, other. All of that is readily available to you. And then down at the bottom, we have a visitor map that shows the locations where most of your traffic is coming from so that you can sort of make smart decisions based on that location information. So in order to install your Shopify store, you simply go to Shopify stores on the left-hand side. And up here in this little search bar, you're actually going to just type your store name. So if my store name was travis.myshopify.com, I would just type in Travis. Once I hit install, it's going to prompt you to log into Shopify. Once you log into Shopify, you're basically just connecting Instamakeme to your store. And what that does is we then dive into your store and we pull out all the images from your store. So to give you an idea of what that looks like, we'll show you here one of our fake stores that we set up to be able to demo the software. And so what happens is it goes to your Shopify store and it pulls every single image that you have. And it actually, we installed an algorithm where for the first several thousand visitors, it's actually going to randomize the order in which the images show up. Then over time, what's going to happen is your most popular items are going to show up first. So most popular being the ones that are visited the most, things like that. So what's great is we've made it very easy to get some additional traffic here by installing some share buttons up at the top. Now, obviously on a desktop, it looks like this, which is pretty cool because again, we're sticking to that theme of trying to be similar to the Instagram layout, which is essentially just a gallery of photos. When you mouse over any one of the photos, it actually gives you the description and they can hit shop it. Now, let's just take a look real fast at the mobile version of this. So we're actually going to do a mobile preview here. And so you can see here, very, very similar to what you would find on Instagram. You can scroll through and it's going to show you all of the images that you have laid out in your store. And once somebody actually clicks on that image, if they mouse over it, which they can't do on a mobile, obviously they'll just click it. They'll be able to see this. They can hit shop it, and then right from there they can go from the store link to that individual product. So you'll see here we hit shop it, and it takes me to the product itself on the mobile device, which is obviously great. And normally, if you were to go directly to my store, so let's say I have in Instagram in my profile link, I just link people to this fake pug store, I would have all of this information here, which, on the homepage, you're not quite seeing the products the way that you would want to. And also you have this rotating banner up at the top. People are going to be confused by the menu. Where do they go? And we found that by utilizing Instamakeme, not only are we showing some really great statistics, but we're also increasing the average user value by more than 350%. Here's one of the stores that we are actually generating nothing but Instagram traffic with. As you can see here, 14,000 page views. Now, what a bounce is when somebody visits your store and then leaves your store without clicking on any of your products. What a click through is, obviously, is when somebody visits your link, your Instamakeme link, and then they click through to a product. Now, what you can see here, the real value comes in that we've sent 10,000 unique visitors to our Instamakeme store. Of that, 8,300 people have clicked an actual product to go through. So the reason that this works so well and the reason that we're so excited to bring this to market is because of the fact that when somebody goes to your profile link on Instagram, the chances are they're going there because they saw an individual post of yours. They saw a product that they like. And from there, they were interested in actually purchasing that product. What most people are doing, though, is they're posting an image of a product, and then in their profile link, they're sending people directly to their main homepage. Now the customer has to find that product all over again. What Instamakeme does is it makes it to where all of your products are in a line. All of your products are in a scrolling feed. So the chances that your customer can find that product again go up 300 to 500%. That's why we see such high click-through rates. When somebody visits our store, they're able to find the product that brought them there in the first place, and then they can go get more information about it. And we're seeing our sales values are through the roof, absolutely astronomical. We're actually on the store that we're looking at right now, the average click from Instagram was worth about $1 before. Now the average click from Instagram is worth somewhere in the range of $4 to $6 per click. And it's all because what we're doing is sending people to a page that allows them to search that looks very similar to the way that Instagram looks. So we're not actually changing too much of the user experience by sending them to a Shopify store that we then rely on them to navigate. So as you can see, the results kind of speak for themselves. We took this store from about $1,800 a day up to $30,000 a month, or I'm sorry, $1,800 a month to $30,000 a month. And Instamakeme was absolutely a crucial piece of being able to do that. So I look forward to sharing this information with you guys more once you're in Instamakeme. The training is going to be continuous and ongoing. We're not only going to show training on how to use the product, but we're also going to show training on Instagram marketing in general. So you'll get some best practices there. I'm excited to welcome you as you join Instamakeme, and I'll talk to you soon.